Hello traders, this is my program that I wrote in Python via pygame and other add-in components like MQL5 plugin, as well as some JSON things and such. The purpose of this program is to connect to your broker and take and exit trades when the stop loss or take profit is reached. The user loads their broker's path as well as their favorite symbols into files the program reads. At the moment, the user initiates the trades. Then the program monitors when to get out of the market. There are two modes of operation, scalping and swing. Scalping is determined by the take profit value set by the take profit user interface. Swing is determined by the user closing the trades manually or by trailing stop. The trailing stop is set by its user interface and trails by profit or candle. The rest of the user interface tells the user if they're in the market, how many orders they have in the market, the current running profit and losses, the history of all profits and losses for the symbol. Here is the program actually running. On the left side, you see your directions for buy and sell, the lot sizes, the order sizes. Your stop candle will determine which candle you set your stop loss for, and then you can execute trades. You can close your trades by profit, or close your buy profits, or close all buys. You can close all your sales in profit or close all sales, as well as just closing all the trades. The top portion is where you load your favorite symbols. The enable camera lets you set which candle you want as a stop loss. Here you select whether you're scalping or swing, and your take profit user interface is here, where you can select your target profit. Let's see. Yes, trailing stop loss is where you select whether you want to trade how you choose to select how you want your trails to be. Oops, BT. If you don't know what your shortcuts are, hit the H key, which will bring up the keys for your shortcuts. Also, if by chance if you haven't selected any of your symbols and you try to execute a trade or close a trade, it'll tell you have to select one first. That's all for the operation of the software.